Alright everyone, so welcome to the first charging test for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. So it just hit 5% and it prompted me to put the watch into put the smartwatch into watch only mode, and then when I put it on the charger, then it went back into regular smartwatch mode. So you can see it's actually giving us the percentage until full charge here. And you can see the time that it's at. All right. So I decided to do this one a little bit differently because I noticed that the battery life on the Watch 4 Classic is a little bit worse, or a lot worse, I should say, than the battery life on the CFM Watch Pro. So instead of doing 20% to 100 first, we're going to start with 5% to 100. And then we're going to do 10% to 100, 15% to 100, and 20% to 100 will finish us off. All right? So I'll go ahead, like I always do for these videos, and put up the total time that the watch took to charge in post. And I will see you guys on the next watch update charging video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.